The fence on your miter saw is made up of 3 main components: the lower fence and 2 sliding upper fences. The lower fence is the foundation of the fence assembly. It is precisely milled so your saw can make accurate cuts. It attaches to the saw's base and is aligned to the blade for accuracy. The fence can become bent or even cracked if something is hit against it or if there's a major kickback while cutting. The damaged fence will result in inaccurate cuts. Replacing the lower fence is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. I'll begin by removing the 2 fence extensions from the lower fence. I just released the knobs on the back side, and the extensions slide right off. The lower fence is secured to the saw with 4 screws, and I'll go ahead and remove those. With the fasteners removed, the fence will just simply pull away from the base. I'll remove the extension fence log knobs so they can be transferred to the new fence. Here I have the new fence, and I'll begin by transferring those knobs over to it. You'll notice that one of the 4 holes for attaching the fence is round and the rest are elongated. When I tighten the fence down, I'll want to start with the screw in that round hole, and I'll tighten it almost completely while leaving the screws on the elongated holes loose. I'll place the fence on the base. You'll notice there's a shoulder on the base that the fence slides up against, and then again I'll start with that screw through the round hole. And this one I tighten nearly completely. The other 3 screws I'll leave loose. The shoulder on the base should essentially self-square the fence, but it's still a good idea to check it. So I've got my square against the fence and the blade, and that looks really good. So now that I know that the fence is square to the blade, I can tighten up the outermost screw on the opposite side of the fence. I'll keep double checking the square as I do this, making sure nothing's moved, and it still looks good. So I'll tighten up the rest of the screws. One last check of the square, and that's perfect. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the fence extensions.